Mexico has one of the most biodiverse ecosystems in the world. IBUNAM, el Instituto Biológico de la Universidad Nacional Autónoma de Mexico, or the Botanical Gardens of the Institute of Biology at the National Autonomous University of Mexico, is located on campus in the southern part of Mexico City. Its function is academic in that a multitude of research projects are conducted by the university within the gardens for the purpose of investigating diversity, development, use, conservation, and management of Mexican flora. The living collections of the gardens include more than 1,600 native species from Mexican forests, deserts, and jungles. The Botanical Gardens were founded in 1959 by the botanists Faustino Miranda and Manuel Ruiz before being integrated into the university's Institute of Biology a couple of years later. Dr. Miranda later led a group of young plant enthusiasts on an expedition throughout Mexico, collecting native plants to return to the gardens. The collection of agaveseas includes 119 different species, such as juca, palm, and maguey, which, thanks to their sugary sap, are all used in the production of different alcoholic beverages. The aquatic plant collection is one of only a few such collections in all of Mexico. The plants featured in 18 different ponds throughout the gardens are principally comprised of species found in the Valley of Mexico, the territory surrounding Mexico City and the surrounding area. Many of these plants have medicinal, agricultural, and ornamental value to the local people. The cactus and wild nopal collection contains around 1,500 specimens of 170 diverse species. The collection is large enough itself to occupy over 5 square kilometers of the gardens. The primary objective of the gardens is to document and characterize the diversity of the country's flora and some taxonomic groups in particular, such as agave, cacti, and aquatic plants. The garden also aims to contribute toward the conservation of endangered plant species by maintaining collections of individuals with healthy genetic profiles. The Botanical Gardens occupy over 31 acres in total and is comprised of 3 main sections: living collections, research, and education. Nearly 7 of these acres are set aside for the living collections. The remainder is split between area used for various research facilities studying plant life and the wilderness preserve of Pedregal de San Angel. Currently, there are 14 living collections that contain about 7,000 specimens, most native to Mexico. The Crassulaceae collection contains many well-known succulents, such as the house leek and ghost plant, which are popular choices as low-maintenance houseplants throughout the world. That's all for now. I hope you've enjoyed your virtual tour of the IBUNAM Botanical Gardens.